You know that feeling, right? You find the absolute perfect item online. You're ready to buy it, but that price tag, it just won't move. Well, today, we're going to look at a totally new way of thinking about online shopping, one that's designed to tear down that fixed price wall and put the power to negotiate right back where it belongs, with you. Oh yeah, we've all been there. You've spent hours doing your research, you know exactly which phone, which laptop, which gadget you want, but the price is the price. End of story. There's no back and forth, no haggling, it's just this digital wall that stands between you and a deal that feels, fair. And for so long, that's just been the reality of online shopping. We call it the online price wall. It's totally a one-way street, right? And it can make even the smartest, most prepared shopper feel like they have zero say in the whole transaction. That price just sits there like it's been carved in stone. It doesn't care if a new model just came out or if they have a warehouse full of them. It's just static. And what that does is it forces you, the buyer, to become what's called a price taker. You're not making a deal. You're just reacting to a number that's been given to you. You have no real control. So, at the end of the day, it's a super simple choice. You either pay what they're asking or you walk away. You abandon the cart. But what if there was another way? What if you could actually talk to the price tag? Well, it turns out there is a different way. A new platform has popped up that's trying to do exactly that, tear down that price wall. And it's called SlanKIT. SlanKIT's whole idea is about putting you back in the driver's seat. They're not just trying to be another online store you scroll through. They're trying to fundamentally change the power dynamic of how we shop online. So what is it? Simply put, SlanKIT is an online electronics store with huge, cutting-edge inventory. The stuff you'd expect from a big retailer. But it has one massive, game-changing twist. It gives you the power to actually bargain for the price. How in the world do they make that happen? The secret sauce is something they call an AI negotiation copilot. Let's break down how this actually works, because it's pretty cool. This is actually super simple. First, you find the product you want, but instead of clicking Add to Cart, you click Start Negotiation. Then, and this is the fun part, you tell their AI the price you want to pay. From there, the AI gets to work, looking at all sorts of data to see if it can meet your offer or get really, really close. So think of it like this. It's your own personal negotiation expert, working for you behind the scenes. It's not some complicated tool you have to learn, it's just a built-in assistant that makes your shopping experience way more dynamic and, honestly, a lot smarter. Look, a great deal is only great if you can actually trust the company you're buying from, right? Especially with a new name on the block. That's why this isn't just about getting a good price. It's also about making sure you can shop smart and, most importantly, shop safe. Whole negotiation thing isn't just for the most expensive new gadgets. The idea is to apply it across their whole inventory, from the latest tech to everyday stuff like home fitness gear. The power to negotiate is meant to be everywhere on the site. And all of this is backed up by the stuff you absolutely need from any modern retailer. We're talking fast, free shipping, an easy, no-hassle returns policy, a totally secure checkout, and real people you can talk to for support. These are the basics, the foundation for building that trust. When you put it side by side, the difference is just night and day. On one side, you've got the old way, static prices, very little control. On the other side, you've got the SlanKIT way, which is all about negotiation and putting you in control. You literally go from being a price taker to a price maker. And really, that brings us to the core belief behind this whole thing. It's captured perfectly in their motto. Stop just accepting prices, start negotiating them. It's a call to action. So the real question is, are you ready to take back control? Could this kind of AI-powered bargaining become the new normal for how we shop online? It's a huge shift, moving us away from just clicking buy to being part of a real, dynamic conversation. It's going to be fascinating to see where this goes.